Now, getting closer to your feet. Closer to your feet. And then you sit down. Slowly, sit down slowly. And then... Ayan, si Carlo. Ayan. Pinapakain niya yung mga pang-ulam namin mamaya.